This is the journey to one Africa. Alright guys, it's first day in Zambia. Remember we got here last night. So this is our first day. We've already taken rest, took a lot of showers. And now it's the first day just here out the street, walking around the street. And we honestly don't have any schedule for today because we thought it was gonna be a resting day. So that's what we're gonna do. Just gonna walk around to see the town, maybe to meet some people. You never know. We just go with the flow today, and hopefully tomorrow we can have something concrete to do. But we're still taking in this place. Zambia is beautiful, to be honest. The weather is amazing. It is no different with Tanzania. So we're just looking forward to enjoy this place. Last night we had really amazing food called what was the food? Called Nshima. It's kind of like the same food with our country, Tanzania. And I'm looking at the. Let me see her clothes as well. These are Zambian traditional clothes. Nigerian. Yeah, so guys, we're just gonna be walking around the street to see the city, and the rest will be history. We're just going with the flow, see what is happening. But Zambia is beautiful. I get a sense of really beautiful country. The weather is amazing here, but we're gonna keep discovering more things as we meet people and as we do one thing after the other one. So be with us, you'll find out very soon. We're in Zambia, baby. This is Zambia. Just running around the street, looking at the country. We're not doing anything today, but just seeing this country, you know, meeting with people, seeing this view, how Zambia looks like, how people react, how people eat. We just had Nshima, very wonderful Nshima. What's up, man? The guy there is happy. You know, just seeing the country, you know, enjoying this moment. Africa is, I'll tell you the truth, that Africa is pretty much the same. It is the same. But there's a lot of work needed to be done. A lot of work needs to be done. So I'm not satisfied. Every time I go to Africa, I know that there's something to be done. There's a work to be done. and I know we can do better than what we do right now. So that's what I can say. But we're in Zambia, baby. Beautiful country.
Ha 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 ha.